Everyone, it's me again,
Keep
Mark.
left to continue on CSCR Tunnel.
And today is no more holiday. And I would like to bring you, or I would like to tour you
Continue for 6 kilometers.
South Road Properties. And we are now on the tunnel connecting to the South Road Properties. And I would like to bring you, because I'm going to No Star right now. And on time check, it's already 12 noon, and I would like to eat lunch there in No Star. And I am now heading to No Star, and I decided to take video the route of the South Road Properties. Coming from here, the tunnel going to the No Star, and I want to eat lunch in No Star. And this is the tunnel of the South Road Properties. So on this road, I know that some of you, or maybe most of you, who is always watching my video, and I'm always uploading my trips, my travel, and sometimes if I'm visiting a subdivision, I'm also uploading those. And right now I'm going to the No Star, and this is the South Road Properties and the South Bus. That's the Cebu Cordova Bridge, the third bridge, and that's going to the Cordova. I'm very hungry already because I did not take breakfast this morning. I just only eat a cereal, small cereal, just only handful. This is the bridge, Cebu Cordova Bridge, and that's the bridge over troubled water. And this is the South Road Properties. And you can see from the view, you can see the SM Marina. I think the SM Marina can really open its doors on June, because the one that is still ongoing construction, that's the phase 2 of the SM Marina. I'm really hungry already. It's already 12:02. So our destination again is the No Star, the luxury mall of Cebu. This is the only mall here in Cebu that you can, like, if you are a fashionista, because the biggest brand, the well-known brands coming from the Paris are now here in Cebu, like the Louis Vuitton, the Versace, Celine, Loewe, Boss. I don't know if there is Boss in No Star. That's the New Star. We can see from here the No Star. There are lots of luxury items in that mall, and that's also with the casino and the hotel, the Philly Hotel. And there are lots of luxury dining there, fine dining in No Star. And I want to eat in one of the dining. Actually, I am going to meet a client there, so we decided to meet up in No Star, and we will just take lunch first in No Star before we will go somewhere.
In 3 kilometers, take the exit.
That's the SMC Side Mall. SMC Side Mall here in SRP. That is the biggest mall in Visayas and in Mindanao. And I think that's the third biggest mall in the whole Philippines, if I'm not wrong. That's the well-known Cube, the Cube. So we are almost there. I think we need to take fast. Okay, it's already 12. And we are now here. That's the Sky Garden of the SMC side. And that's the newest amusement here in SRP, the water slide. That one. I like the ano. What's that? That car. We will just take faster. What car is that? Chinese car? Let me see. Is that a Chinese car? That's the new star. New star. That is where we are going, in New Star. Alipin ako ng yakap mo't mga halik. Bakit di maranaman? Paano ba ito? Okay, tagal naghihintay. That's the CD Marie, CDM by the Philinvest. And this is the El Corso and Philinvest Mall. That one. We are going to take U-turn here. Alipin ako. The phone is locked. That car ba? It says the badge is now in the new star. That's the new star.
In 100 meters, turn right.
I like that car, oh. Carnival. But what kind of carnival is that? So, just finish my lunch here in New Star, and I want to go sa I want to go to the
Turn right.
SMC side mall.
In 100 meters, turn left. Turn left, then turn right.
Wala man gud na ako napalong ang kanang Google kan mo na sige ra na siya andar ba. I will go to the SMC side. And ang ano man gud ang sa tawag ang Gucci, oh. Nice kayong ang lunch na mo dito sa taas. This is the
Your destination is on the left.
This is the SRP dito. No star. Kato pasaka dito. Pero wala na ko dito eh. I will go now sa SMC side. Okay, I will pick up something sa SMC side first. Then after that, nice kayong ano, third bridge. That's the SMC side. So come on, girl. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Don't That's the SMC side. Mag ano ako dito sa una naman, dito sa una ng ito yung kanan. Andun ako sa una. So that's it. That's my travel now. That's the SRP. This is the SRP travel, and that's the third bridge, the Cebu Cordova third bridge. Thank you so much, and this has been me again, Mark. If you like videos like this, subscribe, like the video, share, and leave a comment below. And thank you for the support. God bless you all. You'll always be happy. Ay ala, patay, nasa iyo kuglig ko. Ala, giahak dito dapat ko sa ubos na. Padung ko SMC side, giahak. Ay, shoots. Anyway, sige na, dito na lang ako magtuyok sa ano, sa City Hall. Ahak ko, nalipat ko da. Ahaks. So, wala na naman tayo may imo. Lain pa maambak pa ko diha. So, muuna na siya. Tuyok na lang ko sa City Hall. Muna ang SMC side. Ay, ang SMC side, ang Cordova Cebu Bridge. Kano. Sige na, bye-bye na. Kay nalipat ko. Sige kong tabi. Amping mo tanan. God bless you all. Bye-bye, mama. Sayop yun ko da. Nalipat ko.